There's a new sports tourer from Japan which is creating a lot of news. The Suzuki GSX-S1000GT. As the name suggests, it is based on the naked sibling, the Suzuki GSX-S1000, and it replaces the erstwhile Suzuki GSX-S1000F. It continues to go up against the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, but this time around, the economical Kwacker sport tourer has quite a few reasons to be worried. Primarily because the Suzuki GSX-S1000GT looks a lot sportier, meaner and appealing than the Suzuki GSX-S1000F that it replaces. Though it is still quite quirky with its very Yamaha-like projector lamps, LED eyebrows and a blue livery, in fact two of them. As before, ride comfort takes precedence for this bike even though it's a sportier alternative to the V-Strom 1050 XT. The GT gets a new design for the seats and grab rails, and the bike emphasizes pillion comfort as much as the rider. It uses the same 19-litre tank as its naked sibling, but has a large screen and full fairing for enhanced weather protection and highway comfort. To that effect, the bodywork has improved aerodynamic efficiency than before, and the handlebars and footrests have added damping for reduced vibrations. Like its rivals, the GT features a TFT dash and a Bluetooth connectivity module for pairing the smartphone and up to 2 helmets for navigation, rider assistance, music streaming, tracking, route sharing and weather information services using the Suzuki MySpin app. The GT is suspended from 43mm upside down manually adjustable forks and a preload and rebound adjustable rear shock. Braking duties are carried out by the Brembo brakes with two 310mm discs up front and a 240mm disc at the rear. Motivation comes from the iconic K5 999cc inline 4-cylinder petrol engine that puts out 150 PS of power and 106 Nm of torque. But it is a bit peaky for a tourer, especially when compared to the lighter Ninja 1000 SX. Both the motorcycles are quite heavy, but the lower seat height of the GSX-S GT could make it a bit more manageable. Like its Kawasaki rival, the GSX-S1000GT has touring accessories like a larger windscreen and color-coordinated panniers as a part of the catalogue. Now the more important question, will Suzuki bring the GSX-S1000GT to the Indian market? Well, honestly, the previous Suzuki GSX-S1000 series did not do too well. That said, Kawasaki's Ninja 1000, however, is bringing in some big numbers for the brand. So hopefully, Suzuki should see some sense in that and bring their contender to the Indian market. If launched, it will be priced around 12 lakh rupees is what I think. What do you think about the GT? Do you think Suzuki should bring it to India? Do you think it will do well in the Indian market? Do you think it will be able to beat the Ninja 1000 at its game? Let me know in the comments below and we'll join the discussion and take it forward from there. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, please hit that like button as well, and please share this video with your other biker buddies. Thank you so much for watching.